welcome back. There's been a big disclosure from the CDS when it comes to the Operation Sindoor. For the first time, the CDS now revealed key challenges that was faced during the mission and why India chose late in the night, exactly 1:30 a.m., to actually begin with the strikes on the terror outfits or the terror organizations or the terror hubs in Pakistan to inflict zero civilian casualties. That seems to be the Chief of the Defence Staff, General Anil Chauhan, saying that this is a new kind of warfare driven by technology was heralded by India.
हमने जो है 7 तारीख को जो टेररिस्ट टारगेट्स 9 चुने थे, उनको हमने रात के 1 बजे लेकर के 1:30 बजे के बीच में स्ट्राइक किया। आपको पता है इसके पहले बालाकोट के ऑपरेशन हुए थे और बालाकोट के ऑपरेशन हम कहते रह गए कि ये हमने मारे हैं, सक्सेसफुल हैं, लेकिन एविडेंस या इस तरह की सैटेलाइट इमेजरी या फोटोग्राफ नहीं थे। लेकिन अब जो हम कर रहे थे, रात के 1:30 बजे क्यों किया हमने? 1 बजे, वो तो सबसे अंधेरा होता है, सबसे मुश्किल होगा सैटेलाइट इमेजरी लेना, उसकी फोटोग्राफ लेना, एविडेंस कलेक्ट करना। फिर भी हमने रात के 1 या 1:30 बजे किया। ऐसा क्यों था? ऐसा 2 कारणों से था। एक तो हमें अपनी क्षमताओं के, अपनी कैपेबिलिटीज के ऊपर भरोसा था कि रात में भी करेंगे तो रात में भी उसकी इमेजरी ले सकते हैं। और दूसरा इंपॉर्टेंट चीज ये थी कि हम लोग सिविलियन कैजुअलिटीज जो है अवॉइड करना चाहते थे। सबसे बेहतर समय होता 5:30-6 बजे का टाइम, जबकि उजाला होना शुरू हो जाता है, बट वो टाइम जो है पहली अजान या पहली नमाज का भी होता है। तो उस टाइम उसी भावलपुर में, मुरीदके में इस तरह का चहल पहल शुरू हो गई होती तो काफी सारे सिविलियंस मारे जाते। हो सकता है वो टेररिज्म के साथ उनका कनेक्शन हो ना हो, तो हम लोग वो चीज अवॉइड करना चाहते थे कंप्लीटली। इसीलिए जो समय जो है हमने 1 से 1:30 बजे का चुना।
Well, Rishabh, it only shows how detailed and well thought out Operation Sindoor and its launch was. The CDS saying that precision strikes for long distance targets during night time requires special efforts.
Well, India has been very clear that our fight is against terrorism, not the people of Pakistan. We might fight the army of Pakistan, but not the people of Pakistan. That's what has been now very clearly put in place by the Chief of Defence Staff, General Anil Chauhan, as well, who very categorically say that we could have hit Pakistan any time, but we chose the time between 1 a.m. to 1:30 a.m. because we knew that the civilian movement will be nil in that spot of time, as well as it would be easy to segregate between terrorists and non-terrorists, and that's the reason that the segregation was done. Also, many senior officials within Indian Army has confirmed 2 times now that there were other key locations as well, but because in those key locations there were women and children, that's why those locations were not hit. Otherwise, on the intervening night of 6th and 7th of May, there would have been 5 to 6 more, locations, more targets that would have been hit. So very categorically, India even follows humanitarian grounds when it comes to offensive. That's, and that is very clearly shown during Operation Sindoor as well.
All right. Such precision strikes has been carried out, but in a veiled warning to Pakistan, the CDS has said that India has always stood on the side of peace, but added that it shouldn't be taken lightly or be mistaken as Operation Sindoor is still going on. Thank you very much for the moment, Rishabh, for joining us here on the broadcast. With that, it's a